Richard, would you do me a favour? Would you share with me your favourite application for the technology? The thing that you go, that's great, I'm really pleased with that one. Have you got a part that does that, or have you got a solution, for example, redesigning something so there's less parts in it, or something you're particularly proud of?
What, besides the Darth Vader mug?
Besides your Darth Vader mug?
Besides
yes.
the toys that you told me we
yes.
never print. There's probably so many, but I mean, one of them probably would be this, for example, which is a door lock assembly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that we put together, and so by using a various amount of 3D printed parts, that's allowed us to put together something that we normally would have had made.
Right, as a bought-in
assembly, but we're able to do it ourselves. At the moment on our new Mark 6 machine, we've got a sort of a wash and rinse manifold section, which is probably made up, or was made up, of around 13 different parts. And we've actually managed to design that as one part. Oh, so that gets over that issue of leaks and water and more places that water can escape,
yes.
if you like, by having more connections.
And more stock, more inventory.
But each part that you do, if you look at all of the parts that we do, and this, for example, is a stacker for baskets, so being able to stack baskets that go inside the machines. All the parts are exciting, and it gives you a level of enthusiasm, to want to get them into machines, and actually try them out and see what they do. So I wouldn't say there was necessarily one particular favourite part, but all of them have been interesting in their own way.